To install PHP, go to the apachefriends.org website and download XAMPP. In the XAMPP, we have a web server and a database server. So in XAMPP, click um, after installing XAMPP, we have to install Visual Studio Code. This warning sign: do you want to allow public and private networks to access this app? Cancel this, as I don't want any public or private network to access this app. So it's the installation is finished. Now we go. It's do you want to start the control panel? It's asking that. So I'm going to start the web server Apache and the database server MySQL. I'm going to start both of them. Okay, so it's again asking, do you want to allow public or private networks to access this app? So I'm canceling that one. So I'm able to start the web server and database server successfully. So now let me stop it. When I need to execute a PHP file, I will start the server again. For the time being, I just stopped it. And come back to Visual Studio Code, where we have to do some settings. There is a php.validate.executable path. There is a settings.json file. So go to this file. Here there is a term php validate path. There we have to enter the pht.exe file path. So this is the path where under XAMPP folder there is a PHP folder. Under that we have this php.exe file. So go to the properties and copy that path XAMPP PHP and paste it in the json.settings file. I just pasted it and just replace the backslash with the forward slash and enter .php.exe. php.exe. So I just entered the path of the php.exe file. Now I can save it and close it, and now we can come back and we have to install some extensions. So some of the extensions which we need to install, I'll just show. Before that, I'm going to create a folder. So where should I create a folder? I'm going to create it under XAMPP. There is a folder named htdocs. Under that, I'm going to create a new folder named myweb. Under this myweb, I'm going to create my first file, which is the default file. The default file name is index.php. Index.php is the starting point of the execution. So that is the default file name which we have to give. So I will be creating an index.php file under this folder XAMPP. So I'm going to open this folder in the Visual Studio Code, and yes, here we are. We have this folder. I just got this warning. Yes, I trust the others. Okay, now under my web, I'm going to create a new file, index.php. New file is index.php. File, new file. I'm going to create my file index.php. So I just created that file, index.php. See what are all the plugins we need to install for this PHP to make things easier. So let's see that. So these are the extensions we require. First I require PHP IntelliFans. So I'm going to install this PHP Code Intelligence for Visual. I'm installing live server and so I installed the live server, as you can see. Now I'm searching for the PHP server. So yes, PHP server. There I'm going to install the PHP server. Here as you can see, I have installed the PHP server also. And coming to the server side, I just started the Apache server. Yes, it's running successfully. So these are all the initial steps we need to do for executing a PHP program. So we will, from next video, we'll be seeing PHP programs. We will be executing in the web server. So now let's see the web server. It's how it's running. Let's host the local host. My web, we are going to the thing. And this is the dashboard. This is the dashboard of the XAMPP. And that's all. Thank you.